How to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. So simply open your Snapchat application. Then simply head over to your search bar right over here. Now if you search for person over here, for example Holland. Now these will be the searches. Select on which one of is your friends. Now if you tap on add icon right over here, it will show as added by search on your Snapchat friend list. Now if you don't want that to happen, what we're going to do is simply tap on the person profile like this. And now simply head over to the three horizontal bar at the top right corner, and here you'll find send profile to option there. Tap on send profile to. Then select on the person that you want to send this profile to. And if you send to other person, that's awkward, right? So what you're going to do is simply tap on my AI or team Snapchat. So why this I'll tell you in a second. So simply tap on my AI and tap on send. Now simply head back to your DM section and tap on my AI. So the reason I send to my AI is because there will be no one on the other end that will be receiving this. So I can just head back and tap on there right over here. Now if you tap on the add option right now, and then it won't show added by search. So in this way you can easily solve this problem. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.